Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a homemade fish pie. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now we'll take a dish, and to that we're going to add some raw prawns. Then on top of that we're going to add some mixed fish. I've just used cod, plaice, some smoked haddock, but you can use whichever fish you enjoy. Now over that there we're going to pour some white wine. And then we'll sprinkle some herbs over it. I've just used chives, but you feel free to use whichever herbs you want. Now we'll cover that with some tin foil, and we'll take it over to a preheated oven. The oven's been heated to 180 degrees centigrade, a 350 fan, gas Mark IV, and we'll bake that for 15 minutes, just until the fish starts to flake. So after 15 minutes we'll take that out. We'll take it and we'll strain off the liquid, which will be the wine and the fish stock, and we'll just keep it to the side for later. Now we'll increase the temperature of the oven and we'll put it up to 220 degrees centigrade, 425 Fahrenheit or gas Mark 7. Then we'll go over to our cooker and we'll take a frying pan, we'll put it onto a medium heat, and we'll saute some mushrooms in the frying pan just over some butter. Once the mushrooms are cooked, we're going to add them to the flaked fish from earlier. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. Now we'll set that to the side, and then we're going to make a bechamel. So we'll put some butter into a pan on a medium heat. We'll melt the butter, and to that then we're going to add some flour. We'll cook that for a couple of minutes, just until the flour is cooked in, but don't brown it, just make sure that it stays opaque. So now that our flour is cooked in, we're going to start to add the cooking liquid from the fish from earlier. So just add it a little at a time, and we'll stir it in just to make sure that the flour and the butter mixture start to dissolve. We'll stir it well. As you can see, it's starting to thicken up, and then we're going to add some more of the liquid. Just keep stirring that until it's all incorporated. And then to that we're going to add some pouring cream. Give that a mix round, just make it up into a sauce. And then we're going to take our fish and we'll just pour the white bechamel sauce over the top. Now onto that we're going to take some chopped potatoes. I'll leave a description for the potatoes below. We'll just spread them all over the top, pushing them down, and we'll smooth them out just with a fork. Now we'll take this over to our oven. We'll pop it in and we'll cook it for 10 to 15 minutes, just until the top of it goes golden brown. So as you can see, the top of our pie is brown. It's all cooked through. It's now ready to serve. So we'll just scoop it out and we'll put it into a bowl. I like to serve mine with some brown crusty bread, but you can have it with chips or whichever you like. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.